Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated return of a true off-road legend, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero. After years of silence, Mitsubishi has reignited the spirit of adventure with a model that not only honors its rugged roots but also embraces the demands of a new generation of drivers with cutting-edge features and bold design. The 2026 Pajero has undergone a complete transformation, presenting a more muscular, modern appearance while retaining the unmistakable DNA that made it a global favorite. Its upright, squared-off profile gives it a commanding presence on and off the road, and the front fascia now features a refined version of Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design. LED matrix headlamps, an aggressive new grille, and functional air vents create a look that's both sophisticated and capable. With increased ground clearance and redesigned underbody protection, this SUV is clearly built to conquer the roughest terrain while still looking at home in an upscale urban environment. Powering the new Pajero is a robust lineup of engines tailored to different driving needs. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine enhanced by 48 volts mild hybrid assistance, offering a balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking more sustainable performance, Mitsubishi has introduced a plug-in hybrid variant that delivers electric-only range for city driving, and full power from both motors when venturing off-road. This variant uses Mitsubishi's latest PHEV technology, drawing from its Outlander and Eclipse Cross experience, but tuned for the Pajero's more demanding, trail-focused persona. Off-road capability remains the Pajero's strongest suit. The latest Super Select 4WD system includes new drive modes specifically optimized for sand, gravel, snow, and rock. A new off-road camera suite includes a terrain view that lets drivers see what's under and around the vehicle in real time, critical for navigating tricky paths. A locking rear differential, hill descent control, and an enhanced suspension system round out its trail-conquering toolkit, ensuring confidence in all conditions. Inside, Mitsubishi has taken a premium leap forward. The cabin offers a blend of rugged practicality and refined comfort, with high-quality materials, soft touch panels, and a modern layout that caters to driver and passenger alike. A fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster is paired with a wide 12-inch infotainment display offering intuitive controls, off-road telemetry, smartphone integration, and wireless updates. Seating is spacious and configurable, with options for 7 passengers and ample cargo room. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and ventilated seats bring a touch of luxury to every adventure. Advanced safety and connectivity come standard. The 2026 Pajero is equipped with Mitsubishi's MI Pilot system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and more. Over-the-air updates ensure that software enhancements and navigation data stay fresh, keeping drivers connected and confident. With its bold new styling, hybrid powertrains, advanced technology, and legendary off-road heritage, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero marks a triumphant return to the spotlight. It's a confident statement that Mitsubishi is ready to compete again in the modern SUV market. Thanks for joining us here at Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more deep dives into the world's most exciting rides. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep the vibes rolling.